Hey everybody, I just wanted to go over this battery with you on this on my Rad Power Bike. It's RadWagon, and man, this thing is heavy, and it goes right here on this bar right here. It's pretty nice, but when you put it on, this thing is heavy. If you drop it on the concrete or whatever, a hard surface, it's plastic, it's probably going to damage it. So you want to be careful when you put it on, because it is heavy. So you take it, you line it up, and then you push it down in place. Then you turn the key to lock it. So now it's on. So now to check the power, I'm going to take my little camera here. I'm going to show you the power indicator here. And for some reason it shows a red light and then 3 green lights. But if you go up here to the control panel, hold down the mode button to turn it on. And that one shows a full charge. Full charge. So I don't understand the red light down here, because I just took it off the charger and it says that it was fully charged, and after it's fully charged I have 1 red light. So if somebody at Rad Power Bikes can explain that to me, that would be fantastic, because I'd like to know the battery on the Rad Power Bike. Make sure you have a good grip on it, because it's heavy, slippery. They could put a different texture on here so it's not so slick that you might drop it out of your hands. But all in all, great bike. Battery lasts a long time. So give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll have another one for you soon. See you later.